You'll get a lot of questions asking how to do the new trackers now that in the widget blueprint view models is a tiny bit harder to find. All the old tutorials still work exactly fine, but just in case you need this extra nod in the right direction, I'll show you how to do it. So let's go and right click onto our content browser, widget blueprint, use a widget. Let's call this widget blueprint underscore YT tutorial. Call it whatever you want. In the past this was very unorganized, so I will eventually fix this all up. Now this is where people seem to be struggling with. I already have the view models to appear by default, but a lot of you are struggling with going over to Windows in the top left and choosing view models. Enable it so that it can be seen, and then obviously just click on view model and choose the correct one. For us, we're looking for tracker. Just press select, close it. For our canvas on the screen, we're going to use a picture for our one, just for the sake of showing you how to actually make it still. We're just throwing an office picture. I don't like that one at all, actually. It's fine, this will do for the sake of tutorial. We're going to put on the text. If you're only using this here, then you can just set it yourself, but typically you're going to be reusing these. So you're going to press link. Once you've got text open, we'll call this one just title. So I'll show you how to do it with both, actually. I just remembered about that. So click on this link, Uefn tracker name, do the same thing, just copy this, duplicate it. I duplicated by clicking on the text and pressing Ctrl D. I'm going to call this one description and just name it description as well. Link this one, obviously, with description. Now they have made it much easier than it used to be in the past to set your numbers. So again, this one is value and the next one will be target value. Obviously, this is not enough space for an actual tracker, so you need to think about your placements. But this will now be reusable. See, name is here, description will go here. Value, we need to go ahead and choose, and we're going to go to integer. This will be a whole number for us, but probably if you was doing a percentage one, for example, that would be in float, but it did that automatically. I'm going to reset its default value, and we're going to remove the binding. We're going to bind this one back to target value. So now save this, compile. In our tracker, for example, there's a bug going on where it's placing two of everything. It's super irritating. I'm not going to be actually using these, but you'd go ahead and choose the one we just made. Ours was called Widget Blueprint YouTube Tutorial. And now whatever numbers we're putting into these and whatever values we're putting in, it would be showing in the tracker itself. So I don't think I need to really show you. Okay, as I just realized I didn't add it in the tutorial. My bald head. Icons. So go and click on view bindings, add your image. This is just for the sake of reference. We're going to add in view bindings, add our widget, choose brush, then conversion functions. Make image brush from texture. We're going to go ahead and select this image that we just created, icon, wherever. And then we can bind this, I'm pretty sure. I kind of forgot actually, but this is maybe our type 8080 and copy the size X and size Y. Although I have forgotten, let's unbind this. Seems I've forgotten how to bind it to the image itself, but it should be fine anyway. We can choose the color too. Can bind it. We can bind the color here. And file type, I don't think we need to bind that to anything. So this should now work. We got our icon, our title, our description, our value, and our target value. Let me just press compile, see if I did it right. Okay, everything's perfect. And then much more. That is how to do the custom trackers in Uefn on the latest update. If it was helpful, use code GISMO and item store. I have a WAP in the description, but I'm not really doing anything on there. Patreon, I got some stuff there too if you want to buy something from me. Join my Discord server, of course. It's the easiest way to get help. And subscribe. Also, Map Academy link in the description. Lots of stuff. Subscribe.